Hi everyone. Today I'm going to try to repair this HP Omen. As you can see, I already disassembled because last video was 42 minutes I guess, and I don't think everyone has time to watch the video. Okay, so I already saw the issue with this one. I will enable the microscope. Okay, it's recording right now. Yeah, this is the issue. As you can see, problem is this is the GPU. Looks like burn reached the other side. This is very bad. I don't know if I can repair this kind of damage without any Dremel. Let's see if we can remove the short. I'm on the ground and yes, we have short. This is not short, but this side is short. I didn't notice that it's already coming loose. This is very bad. Let's see if I can remove that MOSFET. This is not good. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's check the resistance. As you can see, it's not looking good. This side is ground and this side is shorted. The thing is, I can't power this board up while this rail is still shorted. I need to get rid of this short, and I don't think it will be easy. Okay, I get rid of the short, but it's not looking good. As you can see, it's 1 kilo ohm. The GPU side should be low. Yes. As you can see, there's a big hole in the board right now. So if this works, I will epoxy it. I don't think so. Okay, I found a shorted coils, 1 volt and 3.3 volt. And as you can guess, it's the chipset getting cut. So I don't think it's worth any more time. I already spent 3 to 4 hours on this board. If you like the video, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.